Hi, I'm Kirsty, property partner at CR Real Estate. Today I'm here on the popular Davis estate on Hurstwood, outside this 5-bedroom extended semi-detached home. Come with me, let's take a look inside. The ground floor accommodation of this property offers a brand new kitchen which is full length of the house. Also a living room with French doors leading out to the garden. Also a WC and utility room. As we come up to the first floor, there are 4 double bedrooms and a family bathroom. The 5th bedroom is in the loft conversion and is currently being used as a bedroom, but the space is versatile that you could use this room as an office if you are working remotely. Hurstwood is within walking distance to Hurstwood Retail Park, which offers a variety of shops. You also have Hurstwood Infant and Junior School just 0.3 miles away from the property. You also have St Thomas More and Oakland Primary School close by. For those looking to commute, the nearest station is Chatham, which is a short drive. Externally, this home offers a driveway, a large garage and also this 120-foot rear garden. This home ticks your boxes. Give me a call on the number below.